Now children, today let's start with chapter number 12, the Earth. So in this chapter, I tell you about the Earth. Earth is the only planet where the life is possible. So it is also known as blue planet. Why the life is possible on the Earth? Because there is a presence of water and so in this chapter, I will tell you about the various landforms and water bodies. Right? If we talk about water bodies, we have oceans and landforms are and the land part are known as continent. So we all live on a earth and animals, birds, insects also live on the earth. The earth has more water than land parts. Water is shown in blue color, right? On the globe, 1/4 of the part of the earth is land. So earth is our home planet. What we call the earth? Our home planet. So various landforms on the earth. Let's study about the various landforms on the earth. Right, land is not same. Somewhere you will find mountains, some plain, desert, rivers, right, and coastal place. So first is hills. Land that rises up, has steep sides and is shaped like triangle is called hill. Which part of the earth is covered with water? You have to tell the part of earth which is covered with water. They are ocean, rivers and lakes. Then we have mountains, very high hills that have peak and there's snow cover, right? Then we have plateau, a raised part, a flat land situated at the top of the hill is called plateau. It is a table land. It's in the form of like this. It's a table land. Then we have valley. What is valley? A narrow, deep land which stretches over a long distance. Between the two hills, when you see a water coming, it is known as valley. Then we have plain. What is plain? A natural level big strength. What is plain? A naturally leveled big stretch of land is called plain. Plain are good for living. They are fertile for agriculture and many crops are grown. You may see that there are many crops that are grown over here. Then we have desert. A desert is an area that's get very little or no rainfall. Here you will see that या तो बारिश होती नहीं है या बहुत कम होती है. So these are there. You will see a very few plants and animals in the desert. The only animal mostly that you see in the desert is camel. That is why it is also known as ship of desert. Iceland, a piece of land which is surrounded by water. एक land हो गया जिसके चारों तरफ हर तरफ पानी है उसको हम आइसलैंड कहते हैं. We have 7 continents. In fact, the 7 most beautiful, most biggest island. Various water bodies. Let's study about the water bodies. We have ocean and seas over here. What are ocean and seas? These are large water bodies. They are very deep. Water of the sea and ocean is very salty. We get salt, fish, shells and pearls from the sea. Then we have river. What is river? River has its source in a hilly or mountain area. Right? Some of the rivers get water from the snow of mountain. River gets water from rain also. Then we have lakes. What is lake? It is a large pool of water and some lakes are beautiful picnic spots. Lakes and water bodies are surrounded by land on all sides. Then waterfall. Rivers make waterfall while flowing from the mountains. आप देखते हैं कैसे पानी गिरते हैं, पानी को क्या बोला जाता है? Waterfall. What they produce? They produce electricity, right? These were the different landforms that I have told you in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.